Magewell 11100D USB HDMI. The Magewell 11100D USB HDMI is completely plug-and-play compatible with the most recent Linux, Windows and Mac operating systems. It's a very solid HDMI-based device that stands out against competing cards in this price class. You can count on superior image control and speed with streaming and recording with the Magewell.
Well, a lot of people know Magewell very well for the capture cards that people pair with third-party software, but a lot of customers have a need for a standalone device that doesn't require a computer to operate or configure it. UltraStream HDMI is exactly that, and it makes streaming simple for people who want to do it but don't have a lot of technical knowledge.
Now, this product is slightly higher quality in that it has more inputs and a higher resolution. This particular unit will capture 4K. The HDMI version is 4K. The SDI version, which we'll have a look at later, is a 2K version. It has an input and an output, so it can do loop through, which is handy if you want to use the HDMI output from your camera to record somewhere else.
And basically what they say with Magewell is what's really nice is this does all the computery type stuff for you, and then simply outputs the output so that it looks like a webcam as far as your computer is concerned. And what I can say is it actually really does that, and it does it as well as you think it would. So what's cool about this, right?
This is a much simpler version. If you just want to get that feed in, you can capture the audio as well through the HDMI into your machine without having to mess with drivers, without having to do any configurations. Literally, you just plug stuff in and it works. In some cases, like with the PlayStation, you're going to want to not just capture it in like OBS, but you're going to want to capture the video so you can watch it on your TV screen or your monitor that you're actually playing as well, so that there is no lag.